So customer came in for tuning. It's not so clean, not so good, not so good at all.
It feels strong.
Right.
This thing is nice.
Still solid.
Yeah, it's still solid.
Hey, bro.
Experience was awesome, man.
Yeah.
You came highly recommended. I am so happy that I did it, man.
Yeah.
Yo, trust me, my yo. Bridget and my you over in South Florida when they recommended you, and I had 3 people that were like, yo, check Desmond, God Desmond, and we'll take care of you. Yo, I'm happy, man.
All right,
Appreciate
brother.
it, man.
I appreciate
Respect,
you, man. Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it, bro. You liking how it feels?
You got a customer for life. Yes, car feels great. Car feels great.